Hello dear student. Yesterday we started a new lesson, lines and angles, right? In today's class we are going to solve exercise questions, exercise 6.1. In that question number 1 and question number 2 we are going to solve in this video. Question number 1 is, in the figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC, that is this angle, plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and angle reflex angle COE we have to calculate in the given question. So as you can see in the figure, where there are two straight lines, AB line and CD line, like this. This is our AB line and this is our CD line. Okay, so this is the intersecting point O. From this O, one more ray you have here, which is A ray. So just draw an arrow mark here. Okay, so here at this O point you are getting 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles, right? So out of this 4, this AOC, if I take this one, and this BOE is 2. So when we added these two angles 1 and 2, we are getting 70 degree as the sum. And individually if we take this angle BOD, so this is equal to 40 degree. Then you should calculate what is the value of this BOE angle and reflex COE. COE angle means this one. Reflex COE means from these two OC and OE rays, outside angle. Outside COE angle we have to calculate in the given question. Now let's see what is given. Given is AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree, which we already discussed. BOD is equal to 40 degree. BOE angle and reflex COE angle we have to calculate. Okay, now how to do the solution here? So here let us consider a straight line AB for the solution. As I wrote here, AB is a straight line, and on this straight line AB you are having a ray OC and OE. Just concentrate on AB straight line. Don't consider the remaining part here. OA, OC and OE stand on it. So if we take this AB as a straight line, and at this O point we are getting these three adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are the angles one next to other, isn't it? So this is straight line always have an straight angle, which is always equal to 180 degree. Whenever you are solving the exercise question, just remember this thing. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay. Okay. Now, so as I said, it is divided into 3 angles. The sum of all the 3 angles is equal to 180 degree, because AB is a straight line, and on the straight line always you will get a straight angle. Straight angle means its measurement is equal to 180 degrees. Now AOC plus BOE measurement is given in the question. It is 70 degree. 70 degree plus COE is equal to 180 degree. To find out the value of COE, we are shifting this 70 degree to other side. Plus 70 will become minus 70 degree. So there we got the value for our COE angle, which is equal to 110 degree. But it is not asked to find this COE angle. It is asked to find the reflex COE angle. Okay. So this outside COE angle we have to find out. Okay. So to find out this outside COE angle, what we are going to do? Reflex angle whenever we are finding. So at this O point, the sum of all the angles will be equal to 360 degree, right? So out of that 60 degree, this 110 degree COE angle you subtract. So when we do that subtraction, we'll get 250 degree as the measurement of angle COE. That is the solution for our first reflex COE angle, first part of the question. One more angle we have to calculate here, which is angle BOE, right? So for that BOE angle, we'll consider the straight line CD. On this straight line CD, just look at the straight line CD. On this straight line CD, again we have two rays, O, E and O, B. So just correct here. This is OE, not OA. That is OE. Okay. So again, this CD line, you are getting three angles, right? Okay. Three angles we are getting. So that three angles sum will always equal to 180 degree, because CD is a straight line. On the straight line, we will always get a straight angle. Straight angle is divided into three parts. Whenever you add these three parts, your sum should be equal to 180 degree. Okay, we are adding this. We got this much. Now 110 degree. BOE angle we don't know. BOD angle is given, that is equal to 40 degree. Totally sum will be equal to 180 degree. That is shifting 110 to other side, 150 degree. BOE angle is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree is the value of this BOE angle. So this is the solution for your question number 1. So in the question number 1, we calculated two angles, that is reflex angle COE with the help of a straight line AB, and angle BOE with the help of a straight line CD. When we use this straight line, we use the concept of straight angles, okay, which is equal to 180 degree. That concept we use and we calculate the measurement of these two angles. So let's move on to the second question. Second question is, in the figure 6.1, line XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to C, find C. So let's look at the figure. So there are two straight line XY and straight line MN. Two straight lines are there in the given figure. So one by one, by taking both the straight line, we are going to solve here. But here one angle, this angle is equal to 90 degree. This is A angle, this is B angle, this is C angle. So this angle measurement is not given. So at O point, you are getting 5 angles, right? So 3 angles are ABC. One angle measurement not given. One angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So using all these things, we are going to simplify it. Okay, let's check what is given. Given angle POA is equal to 90 degree. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So their ratio they have given. C value we have to calculate in the given question. Now see how to calculate that. Okay, the solution. So there we have a ratio, right? That is A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So if we keep this ratio as it is not possible for us to simplify the question. Whenever you have a ratio, you have to cancel that ratio. Okay, you should get either variables only or you should get only numbers. So how to cancel this ratio? This ratio can be cancelled by adding a variable to your numbers. To these two numbers, if you add any variable, common variable to both the numbers, you have to add the same variable. Then your ratio will get cancelled. That is, we can write this as A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 3x. By taking x as a variable, we can cancel this ratio. Now, one by one, let us consider both the straight line and solve our question. First, we are taking straight line XY. as we did in the last question. In the same way we are going to solve here also. On that xy straight line, you are having OM ray and you are having OP ray, right? So OP ray is forming 90-degree angle. So this angle is equal to A and this angle is equal to B. So on the xy at O point, you are getting 3 angles, and when we add these 3 angles, we will get 180-degree sum, because it is a straight line and straight angle we are going to get. That is angle XOM, angle MOP, angle POY is equal to 180-degree. Angle XOM, this angle, that is B. Angle MOP, this one, that is A. Angle POY, 90-degree. Directly we can substitute, or else we can write and then we can substitute, is equal to 180-degree. Now angle B means it is 3x, A is 2x, POA is 90-degree, is equal to 180-degree. 3x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 180 minus 90-degree. Now 5x is equal to 90-degree. X is equal to 90-degree divided by 5. So the value of x is equal to 18 degrees. So with the help of this variable, it is possible for us to find out the value of A and P. So that's why x value we have calculated. If x is 18 degree, then A value is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 18 degree, 36. B is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 18, which is equal to 1454 degree. So what is the use of calculating this A and B angles? So that thing we have to learn. So with the help of xy straight line, so why we calculated this B angle and A angle is, when you take this MN straight line, on that MN straight line you are getting B angle and C angle, right? So in the question, it is asked to calculate C angle only. We don't need the measurement of any other angle. We need the measurement of this C angle only, right? To find out C angle, we should calculate this B angle, because this B and C are adjacent angles, and if we know the value of this, because they are standing on the straight line with the straight angle 180 degree, we can calculate the value of C. That's why we have calculated this A value and B value. Now the next step, to find out C value, we'll consider the straight line MN. And on this MN line, we are having a ray OX only, which is dividing your MN into 2 parts. That is, B plus C is equal to 180 degree. B is 54 degree plus C is 180 degree. Shifting 54 to other side, C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. The value of C is equal to 126 degree. That is how we have to solve the second question of our exercise. Hope you understood.